enthusiasts! Today, we're going to journey through the vibrant world of fruit salad and mint syrup. This delightful recipe is not only healthy but also budget-friendly and a favorite among the little ones. So, let's dive right in. Our fruit salad is a colorful extravaganza that not only adds zest to your day but also provides you with essential vitamins and minerals. The best part about this recipe? You can use any fruits you have on hand, whether it's seasonal or not. They all bring a unique flavor to the salad. Now, let's get hands-on with our fruits. The first step is to choose your fruits. Don't worry if you don't have all the ingredients mentioned here. Go with what you have. The beauty of this recipe lies in its versatility. No two fruit salads are the same. Once you've picked your fruits, it's time to chop them up into bite-sized pieces. This makes it easier for everyone to enjoy without worrying about seeds or pits. And yes, this recipe is a hit with kids and adults alike. It genuinely is a family favorite. Now comes the fun part: mixing your chopped fruits together in a large bowl. Adding each fruit adds a new dimension of flavor and texture to your salad. This process can be as much fun as eating it. After mixing everything together, we introduce another star player, mint syrup. It adds a refreshing twist to our fruit salad, making it even more delightful and enjoyable. We promise it will be an instant hit for everyone who tries it. And there you have it, our delicious fruit salad with mint syrup recipe. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey with us and that you use this knowledge to create some delicious dishes for your loved ones. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to follow us for more exciting recipes like this one and spread the joy of cooking among your friends and family members by sharing this video with them too. Until next time, keep cooking, keep creating, and keep enjoying every bite.